Fengjing Group is the world's leading manufacturer of chemical building materials, focused on building materials industry, the development and marketing of applying chemicals, and constantly creates high-quality products and provides best services, committed to satisfy clients' pursuit to quality and better life. Fengjing Group pursues a diversified strategy of building materials industry, covering products such as adhesive and sealant, waterproof material, putty and grout, and auxiliary tools, covers 4 series and more than 100 kinds of products. Our company has strong R&D ability, with research and development centers and technology centers in Shanghai and Qingdao. There are numbers of patents by our independent research and development, covering all types of high-end non-condensing, solid-state, decorative chemical products. At present, our company has passed the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and obtained the China Environmental Labeling Product Certification and High-Tech Enterprises Accreditation, with mature information management system, ERP management system, and customer-oriented application of B2B e-commerce system. Countrywide 400 toll-free service system can rapidly respond to customer needs and provide best services. With more than 10 years of experience in manufacturing and distribution, Fengjing Group has established a marketing and manufacturing center in China to provide quality and efficient products and services to domestic customers. Fengjing Group is committed to the brand building and brand channel development and maintenance, also committed to the mission of building a better life, and continues to create value for customers, employees, enterprises, and the harmonious development of society.